Hey, what's going on, everybody out there? Hopefully, you're off to a great day, and it's the middle of the week, right? It's Hump Day, so hopefully you're getting over the hump. And talk about hump. Well, we got the humpback whales, right? Speaking of whales, we've got a new SHIB whale who just bought 171 billion tokens. This is crazy, absolutely insane. Right now, at the time of this recording, market is back up in the green, slowly coming back this morning. You might be watching this a little bit later. I do wake up extremely early before I head off to work and record some of these videos. So don't go crazy if things are a little bit different now in the market, because I do pre-record a lot of these in the morning. So with that being said, let's jump into this article, because this article will not change depending on when you're watching it. This is still happening. New SHIB whale bought 171 billion tokens. That is awesome. Following the global cryptocurrency market sell-off, SHIB whales are not leaving their favorite meme token behind and are looking forward to buying more on the dip. So I know a lot of people bought the dip yesterday, and it's still under 5, by the way. We're still at the 4940 level, but we do have a green candlestick working here. You can see that. We're up about 3% right now at the time of this recording. But this whale, a new whale, okay, has purchased 171 billion tokens. 2 large transactions. The first one appeared on the blockchain 1 day ago when the whale bought 6 million worth of SHIB. The token has been trading around that 4.9 level after a massive correction and it lost about 50% of its value from the top in October. Of course, 11 hours after the execution of the first order, the whale decided to buy another smaller portion of SHIB and got himself or herself another 2.3 million worth of tokens when SHIB fell even lower at the 4.8 level. The more whales, the better. With increased control by whales, market participants expect a trend reversal. After SHIB reached the previous all-time high, the share of the whales on the network slightly went down, which led to a massive 45% correction, because then, again, just as retail investors FOMO on the way up, they do FOMO on the way down, right? With an increasing number of whales on the market, retail traders will no longer constitute the majority of the market. And whales, in contrast to smaller traders, tend to hold their position until new highs arrive. Okay, so SHIB market, as for now, it's trading at the, as I mentioned, 4940 level after losing about 8 to 10% yesterday. The main reason for the rapidly decreasing interest is the loss in the token's value, which will return to post-pump prices if it goes through another 40% correction. This is unlikely to happen due to the abundance of selling power or even buying power on the market. So essentially what they're saying is here, the likely scenario is we're going to consolidate here right at these levels. We do have some base levels of support here. You can see a couple different times here over the past, well, it's been actually past 2 weeks or so. We have formed this support down here, and I think we're gearing up for a big December. I really do. Okay, that's just my opinion. I don't have all the answers, of course. I do try to provide you information I do have, but on-chain metrics and some things that I've been reading and seeing show that December could be a big month for crypto. Kind of a cool-off month here in November after a huge month in October, although Bitcoin had a great start to November. But don't be surprised if we just kind of stay pretty flat here for the next couple weeks in November. But anything's possible in this crypto space, that's for sure, right? That is what we've come to know. And real quick, before I let you on out of here, we do have the Patreon page. This page is linked down in the description. You can join today for as low as $10 per month. You can also save 15% off, which comes down to about $105 per year. That is yearly Discord access for essentially $100. There's a ton of value being thrown around there. I think that is a great deal for $100 for the year. Or if you could pay about $200 for the year, get the same deal in addition to buy and sell trade alerts and hot weekly crypto alerts. So those are 2 deals that are offered down below. Thank you so much for stopping by. Appreciate it, and very grateful for all of you out there. It's time for another sip because I'm still trying to wake up this morning. All right, take care. See ya.